Also selling asking right, ready to rumble. Don Edwardo's best. Monday Star, Bonday Babe. All set now, ready to race. Race number 2. Santa Ana Park. Away they go. Ampure from the outside. Don Edwardo's best. Moving up by the Monday Star, Bonday Babe. Rushing up. Gusto ko, happy ka. Monday Star by about 2 lengths, followed by Bonday Babe in second. Don Edwardo's best racing in third by the third, ready to rumble. Ampure racing in fifth, sixth position, asking right. Moving up, entry number 5, and this one is She's Inspired. And out of our turn, Monday Star by about 5 lines. Bonday Babe running in second. Don Edwardo's best running in third. Moving up by the fourth, She's Inspired. Ampure racing in fifth, asking right, sixth position, 7, ready to rumble. Kinford. Gusto ko, happy ka is now bring up the rear as they swing for a Monday Star. Bonday Babe racing on the outside. Monday Star, Bonday Babe on the outside, asking right. Don Edwards West, She's Inspired. It's now Bonday Babe on the outside. Monday Star by the rail. Bonday Babe by half a line. Monday Star, Don Edwards best, and nearing the finish line, Bonday Babe, Don Edwards best, and finally, Bonday Babe, Don Edwards best, Monday Star, asking right, Ampure for your Pentafecta.